there is something unsettling eyenzakalayo in the Western Cape. I-DA, in cahoots with i-Freedom Front Plus and the Cape Independence, are getting rid of abantu from Western Cape. But laba must go to Eastern Cape, regardless ukuthi laba baphuma nje in South Africa. Uyangithola? What they're doing is like baphusha into abayibizwa ukuthi is economic apartheid. Uyangithola? Ensuring ukuthi izindlu zase Cape Town and izindlu in most suburban areas Western Cape unaffordable, to ensure ukuthi abantu cannot afford lezindlu lezo khona bazohamba. Uyangithola? And lezi ndlu lezi njengoba bazenza ukuthi zibe too expensive, ziba too expensive only for thina abantu. Uyangithola? Because laba i-DA is poaching ama-Israelites ukuthi baze la, is poaching ama-Jews, ama-Zionists ukuthi asuke laphaya, some of them nakhona ukuthi basuke laphaya baze la e-Western Cape, so bazokwazi ukusettlila. For in the end, big goal is Cape Independence. Uyangithola? And they're using the ANC as the boogeyman. Obviously, ANC vele sonke asincane. Malana laba, they are using it as the boogeyman ukuthi if you do not vote for the DA, kuzongena ANC and ANC will ruin the city like they did like in the rest of the country. Uyangithola? And they're riding sonke asincane ANC. But that doesn't mean ukuthi abantu laba kumele bathathe umhlaba wase-Western Cape baxoshe abantu ukuthi abantu abavaye baye Eastern Cape. Like lale ngumbhedo mfethu. Uyangithola? Obviously, mina as a Pan-Africanist, I do believe ukuthi as Africans we must unite. Yabo, like ama-Nigeria nabantu namaZimbabwe must all unite vele to fight imperialism, yabo. But angeke sibheke ukuthi we must unite as a continent, whereas thina manje eMzansi people in the Western Cape, obviously angifuni ukukhuluma like about a specific tribe, yabo, but people in the Western Cape are being oppressed mfethu, and thina sikhona. Kumele labantu laba abahlala in the Western Cape kumele bona firstly yibo kumele baphakame kuqala. Uyangithola? Then mebaphakama nathi thina as abantu from different provinces, from ema-Gauteng, so sikhona mfethu, abantu from ema-Limpopo sikhona mfethu, abantu from ema-KZN Mpumalanga sikhona mfethu. Uyangithola? But you as abantu abahlala laphaya in the Western Cape, yini kumele niphakame kuqala. Uyangithola? History teaches ukuthi in 1961 uRobert Sobukwe led a march of about 50,000 people to hand themselves over emaphoyiseni ukuthi bangasaphathi amapasi. What happened ngalelo langa lelo? Kwasho nabantu ne, igazi labo lachitheka. Yes, that's a bad thing. Uyangithola? But ukuchitheka kwegazi labo led to the founding of Umkhonto Wesizwe, led to the founding of i-APLA. Uyangithola? Ama-armed wings abazokwazi ukusimela thina as abantu. In 1976, history teaches ukuthi ama-students bawangajabulanga ngeBantu education. Uyangithola? Then they marched and kwachitheka igazi nango-1976. Igazi labo Hector Peterson. Ngegazi lakhe uHector Peterson, umhlaba wonke, South Africa yonke yabona ukuthi no man, this is an issue. Abantu from e-Western Cape baphakama protesta, students not of African descent, so the students of different communities join thina to fight against this oppression. Even students from the Indian community join in 1976 to fight against this oppression. Mara before join, it was up to us qala ukuthi abo Hector Peterson bashone mfethu. Uyangithola? So nani mfethu kumele ningabavumeli abantu laba ukuthi banixoshe laphaya bafethu. Kumele niphakame mfethu, yini kumele niqine mfethu, yini kumele, you must take a stand and not allow lama imperialistic forces, lama imperialist ukuthi anipushe from your homelands. Uyangithola? Because if you allow that ukuthi yenzeke, bafethu, if you allow that ukuthi yenzeke, bafethu nipastile. Uyangithola? Bafethu, you must not allow labantu laba ukuthi banipushe from your homes. Uyangithola? And yini ekumele nivuke kuqala. Then from ukuvuka kwenu, the rest shall follow mfethu. If kumele sigibele, uGauta BMX showed us ukuthi it's possible ukuthi kumele shove size ema-Western Cape. If kumele shove, yabo ibhayisikili ready, so shove mfethu size ema-Western Cape mfethu. But before lento le iyenzeka, nina as the people, you must organize yourself and you must fight, baba. You must fight, baba. Uyangithola? Then from your fight, from your sweat, from your blood, thina soba rejuvenated and soza sonjoin. Uyangithola? But before abantu bajoina indaba zenu, nina kumele nisiphakamele indaba zenu kuqala bafethu. uyangithola?